Dear student, in last video we completed refraction by prism. Now in this video we will continue the dispersion of white light by prism. Dispersion of white light by prism. Now consider prism, white light or sunlight incident on prism. Suppose if we don't kept the prism, then this is the direction of incident ray. But due to prism there is a refraction on surface AB and on surface AC. 2 times refraction happen. Now what happen in surface AB? This light, suppose consider the normal, this light bend towards the normal in the denser medium, and in this way we have to get a band of 7 colors. Suppose we have to put here screen. We have to put here screen. Then on this screen you get the band of 7 colors. Red to violet. We will see the name of these 7 colors afterward, but red color is upper side and violet color is downside. We get this band of 7 colors. This band of 7 color is called spectrum. Now what is the dispersion? Dispersion means when white light is converted into its 7 constituent color. This phenomenon is called the dispersion of white light. We write here definition of dispersion of white light. Now what is the definition? The phenomenon of white light converted into its constituent colors is called dispersion of light. Now next definition we will see about the spectrum. What is the definition of spectrum? The band of 7 color is called spectrum. Now next one, which 7 color we will obtain? Here the name of that 7 colors. Now how you memorize this 7 color of spectrum? Consider a statement: Roy going Bombay in van. Roy, R-O-Y, going for G, Bombay we take only B, in we take I, and van. Now I write all the colors. R for red color, O for orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and last one is the violet color. Now this band of 7 color is called the spectrum, and these are the colors from red to violet. We get always red color upper side and violet color downside. Now again we will see this figure. Now the bending of light from the original path is called deviation. Suppose for red color, this angle is the deviation for red color, and this angle is deviation for the violet color. Deviation means bending from the original path, how much angle that bends, that is called the deviation. So see in diagram, red color has minimum deviation and violet color has the maximum deviation, correct? Red color has minimum deviation and violet color has maximum deviation, correct? Now again we will see this figure. In vacuum, velocity of all these color, velocity of all these 7 color is same. But in the transparent medium, for example glass, water and air, the velocity changes, and we know that if velocity changes then there is a refraction. Understood? So we get the spectrum. In vacuum, velocity of all constituent colors is same, but in transparent medium which are the transparent medium? 3 transparent medium: air, water and glass. You can take glycerin also. Then but in transparent medium, velocity of different color is different. Different color is different. So we get the different deviation. And due to that different deviation we get spectrum. Understood? Now we will see definition of white light. What is the white light? Any light which gives spectrum similar to sunlight is called white light. Understood? Now before I want to rough the board, we will take some look of this chapter, this topic, then I will rub this board. We are going to see the topic dispersion of white light by prism. This is the diagram. White light, original path, but due to prism refraction happens 2 times, and due to this refraction on screen we get the spectrum. The spectrum is from red color to violet color. This is the definition of This is the definition of dispersion of white light. White light is converted into its 7 constituent color is called the dispersion. Band of this 7 color is called the spectrum. Now these are the 7 colors in the spectrum, and I told you that one sentence, in that sentence all the colors are included. Roy going Bombay in van, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Again red color has minimum deviation as it's at highest wavelength. Violet color has maximum deviation as it has minimum wavelength, and in vacuum the velocity of all the color is same, but in transparent medium the velocity is different. So we get different deviation at different angles. And in last we have to see the definition of white light. Any light which gives the spectrum similar to that of the sunlight, that all light is called the white light. Now Isaac Newton is the first scientist which told that the white light is made up of 7 constituent color. This is the first scientist. Isaac Newton showed. That experiment is also called the Newton's experiment. Now another experiment of Newton is, from the white light we get 7 colors, but Newton also showed that from the all 7 colors we also get the white light, means reverse the process of dispersion of light. See how Newton showed this one. He took 2 prism, equal prism. Take this prism like this, and another prism we have to put like this. These are the 2 prism. Again white light, original path, here red to violet. This spectrum is incident on the second prism. Now what happened? Again you get white light again. Understood this experiment? We have to use 2 prism put in this way. White light is incident on prism number 1. You get the spectrum. This spectrum incident on prism 2, and after refraction you get the white light again. This also proved by the Newton. Now next topic we will see that formation of rainbow. In rainy season we observe rainbow that contain the 7 colors. Formation of rainbow. First of all we will see the definition of rainbow. Rainbow is a natural spectrum Now you already know what is the spectrum. The band of 7 color is called the spectrum. Rainbow is a natural spectrum visible in sky in rainy season. What is the rainbow? It is a natural spectrum visible in sky in rainy season. Now how rainbow form? Consider water droplet. Water droplet is so small we cannot see with our naked eyes. water droplet act as a prism. What is the function of water droplet? It acts as a prism. White light, or I write here sunlight. Here I write the sunlight. When sunlight enters into the water droplet, here first one, what is the first procedure? Refraction is happen. Here I write 1. Sunlight enters into the water droplet, then there is a refraction. How refraction? This one is the air medium and this one is the water medium. Air medium to water medium, when medium changes, refraction happens. And again here I write here 2 in the diagram. 2 means what? Dispersion. Dispersion of white light into its 7 color. You obtain red upper side and violet downside. Now here I write here third one. What is the third phenomenon? It is the internal reflection. Third one is the internal reflection. About reflection we already seen in chapter number 10. Then this one is the internal reflection. Again one times refraction happens and it comes outside, and when these rays enter in the human eye, enter in the eyes, then we can see this color from red to violet. In this way rainbow is formed. Now condition to form the rainbow are 2 conditions. Two conditions. First, rainbow is formed always in rainy season or after rain shower. In summer we don't see the rainbow. And second one, rainbow form opposite direction to sun. It always form the opposite to the direction of the sun. Here we completed the topic formation of rainbow. What is the rainbow? It is a natural spectrum visible in the sky, and water droplet act as a prism. Sunlight, then refraction and dispersion happen. Then here internal reflection, again refraction. After refraction, the different colors enter in our eyes and we will see the rainbow. And these are the 2 conditions for the rainbow formation. Today we will stop here. Thank you.